Welcome to this quick run through using PaveScape through the Brett Landscaping website. This quick run through shows how to access the software using an internet browser on a computer, but the process is very similar on smartphones and tablets. Start the process by visiting the Brett website, brettlandscaping.co.uk. Once the website has loaded, you will notice that across the top of the page is the brand new PaveScape banner. Click on this and wait for the new page to load. Please also note that you can access the PaveScape tool by scanning the QR codes in our literature range. Once the page is loaded, you'll get a view a bit like this. Here you can upload your own photo, which we'll do in a moment, or you can view pre-selected drives and patios to get an idea about what the Brett paving range might look like in these spaces. To select your own photo, click Upload and select the image you want to see the different Brett paving products in. Once the image is loaded, you'll see a page like this one. Down the left-hand side of the page, all the different product ranges are broken down. Here you can see all the different ranges, colours and aesthetics, allowing you the opportunity to view the entire range and what those ranges might look like in your outdoor space. Once the website catches up, the AR tool will allow you to see what the range looks like across this image. Many ranges have different plan sizes available. In this demo, we have selected the Eden Limestone Porcelain. You will see here that you can toggle between the two options, allowing you the opportunity to see which of these suits your outdoor space best. Once you have selected the plan size, you also have the option to change the laying pattern on the paving selection of your choice. If you toggle to the top of the page, click on Change Pattern. You can select each of these to see which of these options might best suit your outdoor space. Across the top of the page, you will see that there is an option to compare the product ranges. If you click on Compare, you will see that the page is split down the middle. You can select the different ranges by clicking on the left and right options respectively. For the sake of this demo, we have selected Eden Sandstone Autumn Blend and Spring Blend. Once these two ranges have loaded, you will see that the image is split down the middle. Here you can drag to see which of the two ranges best suits your desired aesthetic. Once happy and you've selected which of the two ranges you prefer, click Exit Comparison. Now you will notice that, for the moment, Floors is ticked. To see what the Brett porcelain walling range might look like in your space, toggle from Floors to Walls. This will give you the option to select from the Brett porcelain walling range. Once you're happy with your overall selection, you can also select from the right-hand side of the page to view the product ranges, to contact Brett Landscaping, to find a Brett approved installer to help making your paving dreams a reality, and to find a Brett stockist for all products. Further, you have the option to email and download your image, ready for the next steps to make your landscaping dream a very real reality.